I'm gonna share you the easiest way by which you can practice your English every day. Hello everyone, I'm Nikita. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you guys? I hope you are doing great and I'm also great here. So in this video, I'm gonna share you the easiest way by which you can practice your English every day. And it's your daily routine, and guys, it helps me so much and you also should try this. You have no one to speak with, so you can do this at your home. And guys, it is very simple because it contains only one tense, that is simple present tense, and its construction is also very easy. So guys, we can start with this. So whatever activities we do in a full day, and speak all the activities in English, and by this we can speak in English. And definitely I'm gonna share my daily routine with you in this video, and after listening this, you create your own daily routine and speak it out loud, okay? And tell it to anyone, or if you don't have anyone, no problem, talk to yourself. So without any delay, let's begin. So guys, I usually wake up around 7 or 8 a.m. in the morning because my classes are happening in the evening, and that's why I get up lately in the morning. And after that I stay in my bed for a while and check my phone and check my social media, and then uh, I get up and make my bed, and I have started some exercises to maintain my fitness, and that's why I go over the roof and I do some exercises. After that I calm down and brush my teeth, and I fresh up, and then I go to the kitchen, and I ask two aunties for for breakfast, and then I take breakfast. Then I take breakfast, and after that I study for 1 or 2 hour. mm, and after that I take bath, and then I have lunch, and after having lunch I take a cat nap. After taking nap, I get up and wash my face to feel fresh, and I get ready for class. I dress up, and I do makeup, and I go to class, and at the class I wish good evening to everybody. After 2 hours, I come back at room, and I take off my dress, and then some days I go to outside for eating some snacks, and some days I do not go, and then I play music, and I do dance for exercise, and yeah, I do dance for enjoying, and some days I watch videos and reels. And after that I have dinner, and after dinner, oh yeah, some days I make conversation with my friends, and yeah, I do conversation in English, and some days yeah, I make videos for YouTube, and after that I have dinner, and and after that I uh, I uh, I do homeworks. And otherwise I watch mobile or many videos, reels, and otherwise I do many things there then, and around 11 or 11:30 p.m. I go to bed. And I sleep, and that's it, my daily routine. And guys, I hope you are gonna start from today, and I wish have a lovely day.